Today we're going to show you how to use Zeolite Activation Concentrate, a brand new patented product that's a revolutionary product for zeolite filter media. ZAC is a product that will bond a carbon nanochain to zeolite granules, and by doing so it creates a dual charged media. It's a fantastic product, it's a patented product, and in this 200-pound sand filter that we have right here, we're going to use only half of this bottle, which is about $10 worth of chemical. For the benefits that you could get in improved filtration, it's just a no-brainer. This is a 21-inch sand filter. It holds 100 pounds of zeolite. We're going to show you how to do the installation now. I like to start by turning the power off to the unit. So we turn the power off. Then, since the next time we use the multi-port valve, it'll be in backwash mode, we're going to change it from filtration around to backwash. If the filter's been used recently, it will have air pressure in it. So there's a pressure release valve in the back. We're opening that up. Now we're going to be able to pop the top off. If you have a large filter that doesn't have the multi-port directly over your tank, then you might have to have a key to open the top of it up. There is a table on the back of the bottle that shows what you do for different size filters. But we're going to open the top of this up right now. Once we get the top popped off, then we will drain the water. All right, now we go down here to the drain. This drain has a screen in the bottom of it so the media stays in and the water comes out. We want every bit of water to drain out. Once the water all drains out of it, then we'll put the cap back on and the media will be ready for application of our chemical. Note that I've got rubber gloves on and an apron now. We're going to be handling the Zeolite Activation Concentrate ZAC. We have drained all of the water out of the vessel, and I've put the drain cap back on, tightened it up so there's no leakage. Now we're going to mix the chemical up in the 5-gallon buckets. Note that I've filled the buckets about halfway full of water. I'm going to add 8 ounces to each bucket. And once the chemical is added, then I'll add an additional amount of water to make up the 5 gallons. Always remember to add chemical to water, not water to the pure chemical. Once we get up to 5 gallons, then we'll put the solution into the vessel. This is almost 5 gallons, so in a 200-pound sand filter, 2 5-gallon buckets will fill the solution up to a level above the media. For additional information on your filter, whatever size it is, up to 36 inches, there's a table on the back of the label of ZAC. So now we're going to put the chemical solution in on top of the drained zeolite media. All right, we filled the filter vessel up with the chemical solution, the ZAC. It's the level of the chemical is up above the filtration granules. Now it's the easy part. We sit back and relax. You got to let it sit in there to activate the zeolite for at least 1 hour. If you want to let it sit overnight, that's fine as well. But let it sit at least 1 hour so that the chemical magic takes place and the bonding to the zeolite granules is completed. At that point, you can start putting the filter back together, put the multi-port valve on, put your hoses back on. Remember now you've got it in backwash mode, and once everything is put back together and the hour, at least an hour has gone by, then start your pump up in backwash. Run it for at least 60 seconds, maybe 90 seconds. Make sure that all of the excess chemical is backwashed out to the drain. Then put it on filter mode and you're ready for wonderful, clean, clear water.